I don't know. Yes, it is. In Russia. That was easy. Long wait, half an hour before you get in, but then you just do the passport thing, and then you're through. No bullshit checking of the cases. They get it. They understand. So here we are. Welcome to the Altai. Minutes after getting to Russia, I was surprisingly stoked to be being here. This is just great. I realized just came out of the Middle East, out for Central Asia, and now I'm up in Russia. Here I am, 27,000 kilometers later. This is just great. Behold, the jihadist is gone now. Was the weirdest thing at the barber shop that I looked in the mirror and I grabbed my chin, and it was the weirdest feeling ever. The chin. What is that? Was time for a new feel. That's a rugged beard that's coming off right now.
Wife Anna.
The future wife.
Wife Anna, да?
Apparently I am getting married. Nature is the original artist. It doesn't even care about its art. We do. Look at this. Back on tarmac, I'm just getting swervier and swervier. Punctured rear tires. I think the city, what's the name again? Where I'm going is over there, 11 kilometers. I was thinking of putting air in it and riding. Maybe it's a slow leak. Yeah, here comes the real test now. Remember the airman flooded 10 days ago in the river? German engineering, don't film me now. There we go. I'm gonna try pump and go, pump and go, pump and go. For now. Works out, otherwise set up camp. So here we are, inside the hotel. Managed to get a jack. And then I still have to find a tire shop. Forget about a center stand. Would have been obliterated by now. I need to get to Mongolia. Gorgeous out here. trying to flip the switch already for over a week just to accept that how it is, and I do. Still, everything that delays me gets magnified because of that notion. So you get pissed off, and it's just absolutely terrible. It's not how I want to do this. It is beautiful out here. I see this here, and I was still looking for a motor oil. Didn't want car oil. I really want a motor oil. And I would stop because it says liquid moly. And there's all these riders, Russian riders here. The guy gave me over a liter of oil just like that, out of sheer kindness, which is awesome. See? Altai riders. So I'm about 150 kilometers now from the city before Mongolia, and then it's another 100. Do my work there, lunch, hit it. Gotta cross over today. So kind to give me lovely liquid moly oil. Clearly knows his shit. He was just casually checking out my bike from all directions, and he noticed that my wheel had spaling, it's a Dutch word, that has been the wobble basically, and I thought it had to do with bad alignment of the tire. Gotten in to some surprise mechanics, but it's good. It was a disaster waiting to happen, potentially. Everything is done. Store head bearings, the last two, perfect. Look at that, no more wobble. Thanks to this man, Konstantin here. God bless the liquid moly truck. Rear Heidi back on. The front Heidi is being put on right now. I think I solved the speedometer issue. Two contacts that go into the connect with the wheel weren't touching thoroughly enough anymore, so I just pulled them a bit out, and I think it makes firm contact now, and it will stick. And I can keep track of my progress. Wheels getting ready in there by the professionals here in Russia. There we are. So when that one's done, put the wheel back on, and then it's off to Mongolia. Here's the border, and we're finally gonna cross over to Mongolia. And I'm curious to see what's going to happen. How will it be? I don't know what to expect, you know, just roads disappearing on a multitude of roads, and I have to choose the right ones and the quality of them. Yeah. It's good. It's like I have no idea. It's a great feeling.